Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech House. Today we are comparing Galaxy F70e, Galaxy M17 and Galaxy A17. Let's see this full video. First, compare the body features. All three mobiles come with an IP54 rating. Next, compare display features. They offer 6.7 inches display. Hardware features. Galaxy F70e is powered by the MediaTek chipset, and the Galaxy A17 and M17 are powered by the Exynos chipset. Next, compare the camera features. Let's compare the battery features. Next, compare the sound and other features. These devices include 5G connectivity, Bluetooth 5.3 and fingerprint. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.